Hey everyone, it's Alan over at Cobblers Plus in Denver, and this is our weekly shop update or daily post, whatever you want to call it. But just around the shop, not too much craziness going on. I mean, we got some interesting stuff here and there that we're working on. Got little Vlad back there playing with some dinosaurs. They're here for just a little bit with my wife Cassie. So let me give you guys a quick breakdown of what we're planning on doing right now at the moment. So those of you who know that we have a shine stand downtown at Homer Reed with Jason Dornstar. He's saying that he's going to start doing appointments out there, as well as at Scissors and Scotch here closer to Tech Center area. And you can also drop off for him here at the shop. Otherwise, you can just drop off as regular. We've been open this whole time regardless. But if you're wanting Jason in particular to be working on your shoes, just bring him on by and say that you want him to do it. I know some of you guys want him to do it. Otherwise, we got me or Marcus back there as well. He's touching up some of the shoes too. So that's kind of a quick update as well. Drop-offs are allowed at the Homer Reed location, Scissors and Scotch, because they're so close. It's better to just bring them straight to us instead for any formal repairs. Otherwise, if you're downtown, Homer Reed, they'll take it in for you, and we'll get it sent over to our store to be able to work on and give you a call. But anyways, for the rundown around the shop real quick. So, looks like Marcus found the nylons actually. I know some of you like the nylons. I've been trying to find them, but
instant change.
Look at that. Look at that shimmer. Shimmer and shine. Oh, nothing too major. Got some Birkenstocks, had some Louboutins somewhere up here, and I already forgot where I placed them. But there's those Allen Edmonds. For those of you who are wondering about the Allen Edmond, I do have a video that it's going to be posted on Monday that is breaking down more details about the two individual products as well as the Four Seasons. I actually have them broken down fairly well with more details. They're both awesome products. Simon Kim actually was asking me which one's better. Well, they both have their own great applications. I love them both, so that's the most I could tell you. Just wait until Monday on that. All right, so it was kind of blurry there. Okay. Sorry, I keep getting interrupted with everything, but yeah, we got some Lucchese's, those ones that I've been working on forever, I guess you can say. We got some of these guys here getting the JR soles, have yet to be stitched. Some Red Wings. These ones I'm actually doing a video on, some Chippewas. I haven't made a video on Chippewas yet, so stay tuned for that one. Johnson & Murphy's. These are some of the older ones made in America. They are a corrected grain leather, but they're still really cool because they're made in America and they got a red sole on them. And if you look very closely, if I can get it to focus, maybe it doesn't want to focus. There it is. There's a closed channel purple stitch in there. So, yeah. We got some Double H boots, getting new heels. For any of you wondering, yes, we do have the original Double H heels in stock. They come with the heel block on there. So if you have Double H boots and you want them replaced, or the heels replaced, we'll do that for you because they're already pre-assembled. Makes it a little bit easier and works nicely. We had some, what were these, Loas? Yep, Loas there. Some more Loas. Number of other things here. Odds and ends, I think there's some Tony Lamas, some Vasks in there somewhere. But, yep, Marcus has been working on cleaning up his little area here kind of nicely because I never had time. He sanded out the table finally because this used to be our old workbench, and I had a bunch of glue on there, and I never could clean it up. So thank you, Marcus.
Yeah, no problem.
He's got his little Saphira Medal Dior there, the Beauty Cure, some of the Taragos. Yep. Alright. Otherwise, nothing else too fancy. Oh, real quick, I guess I'll come around over this way. Hi, Vlad. Got dinosaurs. Where'd the rest go? Oh, they're in the bucket. Yep. Alright. So I got my Red Wing shoes here. I posted a quick clip in a Red Wing group. Found these at a thrift store. And they're mine. And I'm thinking about resoling them. Anyone have any ideas or recommendations what they would want to see on these? I'm probably going to do a video for them too, but I haven't quite made up my mind which sole I want to put on there. I'm thinking all rubber. I'm not going with leather on these, but they're going to be kind of my everyday shoe I'm not gonna wear them obviously every day, but that everyday category type of shoes. So anyone have any cool ideas, anything you want to see me do with these? I'm not gonna put green on them, but I'll probably stick to red or blue if you want some kind of color. Otherwise, neutral colors are fine too. So yeah. Now, I'll come back to the face view. As far as yesterday's video, I do apologize for the daily post. I was having some serious technical difficulties with the video uploading, so I'm going to have to do that video next week. It's actually going to involve talking about brands. So the whole idea, again, we're just starting out the daily post. Mondays we'll do a product, basically some kind of shoe or leather care product. Right now we're going through all of Saphir's line. Next, after Saphir, we'll go to the next company that we like, and just so on, and then even eventually get into some of the brands that we're not too crazy about, so on. Basically just trying to let everyone know what's going on about them. This upcoming Monday, I already kind of blew it for you. I'm going to be talking about the waterproofer sprays and having more of a breakdown talking about them. And then Tuesdays we're going to talk about a accessory for footwear, basically, that, you know, shoe trees and laces and all that kind of stuff. And then Wednesdays we're going to try to do like a little how-to, maybe like the laces, for example, how to lace them, do a bar lace. And then Thursdays are supposed to be kind of a brand rundown, like talking about a particular brand, why we like it, why we recommend that brand, the things that we don't like about, just kind of a really quick review of a particular brand each week. And then Friday is obviously just a shop update and letting everyone know what's going on in the shop, what we have going on, and, you know, if anything changes, if anything comes up, we'll keep you updated on that. And then obviously Saturdays are our recraft videos and Sundays are Soul Talk Sunday. So trying to keep up with that. It's a lot of videos, I know, and on my end, having 3 kids, you know, running the shop and everything, it gets a little frustrating. Like yesterday, just could not get that video to upload. It would not work on me. So I'm going to try again this today to upload that video and then post it next week for you guys. But otherwise, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you've been liking these videos. Some of you don't care about the weekly updates. Some of you like them. So I appreciate those who like them. And if you don't like them, I'm not upset. Just gonna have to do that every now and then. And I appreciate those who've been enjoying watching these. Thank you again. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. And we'll see you next time.